Hey friends and followers, beautiful people you are. I'm back at the square, sneak preview, kind of sneak preview. I did that the other day, but today, oh yeah, I've done quite a few here. I've got like 5 up at the moment. I'm rocking the square, but some of the other guys need to get out and paint with me. This is my day job now, so yeah, I'm going to be taking out Tom's Merry Festive. You may have seen it on one of my videos. I'm sure that is here somewhere. I don't know if it's on YouTube, but it's definitely on TikTok and Instagram somewhere. But yeah, anyway, enough about that. I'm gonna try and take you through the bit of a process of everything today, and we're gonna do a tiger head. Now, I've not even attempted to do something like this before, so yeah, it's gonna be interesting. But yeah, I'm gonna take this Merry Festive and put a nice big tiger head and see what we can do with it. And take you through the process, and if I can teach you some stuff, that'd be great, but if not, enjoy. So yeah, I thought I'd keep it simple this time. We're going to do a doodle grid and literally just make a grid, leaving it, and I'm not going to bother putting all the letters and everything else in and symbols and whatever, because yeah, I don't want to make it too confusing for everyone. I'll leave that confusion for me later when I'm drawing out the tiger on here now. So yeah, I'll see you when I've done the tiger head. Right. I'm hoping you guys can make that out. I used a green to start with, then I ran out of my green, so I used an orangey red thing. But yeah, you can kind of see the tiger shape. I'll probably put an overlay on here. But yeah, it's taken me over an hour to sketch this out, so I hope you guys appreciate the effort and stuff I put into this stuff. It's never taken me over an hour to sketch out, but I mean, there was a lot of lines, a lot of little details. It was a nightmare. But hey, we got it. We got there. Yeah. Yeah. Now it's just paint this. So, as you can see, what I'm doing is pretty much filling most of it in with white in the white areas. Then the other bits in black with the black areas, and then I'm creating a shadow where I can on parts, so to make it look proper pop. So see where it's going. As I said, it's not going to be a realistic one, but I don't think it will be anyway, not at this point. But we'll see how much more depth I can give it. So friends and followers, you can sort of see a blurry version in the background. I'm not going to show you the full one if I can, because, screw it, why not? Here you go, this is where we're at to. Getting there, but I got to go to do a few things at school and different things. So it's getting late in the day, but I will be back tomorrow to finish this. So stay tuned, stay with me on this, because I don't know, I'm liking where it's going, considering I didn't even know what I was going to paint today. But you know, today I decided it's Lion Day, or Tiger, Lion, Tiger, I don't know. A big cat. It's Big Cat Day is what we're having. Big Cat Day. Yeah. You guys gonna have to let me know what you want to sort of see on this. But yeah, we're getting there. So yeah, see you in a little bit. But for you it'll be like the next clip. But that's fine, But I'll see you tomorrow, but I'll see you in the next clip. All that jazz. So hey friends and followers, back again. No one's parked in the way. Yeah, boy. So yeah, we got the tigress thing that I'm painting today. It's you can kind of see from yesterday's shots. It was looking dope. Loving how it's going. Come back this morning, it's still here, looking sick. Still caged in, you know. You gotta keep caged in. Right. So yeah. Anyway, we're gonna carry on with this, and I'm gonna try and carry on taking you through some of the process. Because yeah, let's get to it. I do have to say it is very cold out today. It's definitely different to what it was yesterday. It was like summer yesterday. Today it's like back to winter. Like, what's going on, man? We don't need this. We just need summer so I can get out and paint all the time. But yeah, we got this. See you in a mo. Better find them gloves. There they be. Yes. These are what we need. These will keep me warm, even though the fingers are Yeah, we went over with the white to get the base colour in, the base of the white, and then I started moulding in the black colour. So we moulded in where the leaves, and I was going for like leafy pattern kind of thing on the head, and just some weird textury stuff that tigers have, and then trying to get some fur sort of stuff around here. And sort of see what I did before. I went just over basically with the white, and then I start to mould in the black over the top. And then I did also up here around its his muzzle thing. Put some shading with the black in there to try and darken it up to make that look a bit like that's further forward than the actual face, so it like goes in deep. So yeah, crack on. So hey friends and followers, it got bloody cold. Blooming cold? I don't know what I can say bloody on it, but it got bloody cold out there. Hence the gloves. Sneak preview. Anyway, yeah. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Bloody cold though. So yeah, let's get to it. So yeah, I think where you last saw, I was finishing the main of it all, like coming around on its side, and then I decided that I thought a really funky colour blue and purple thing would look swish behind. I don't know if this camera's picking it up correctly because that's way brighter right there. So yeah, we finished with the blue and the bluey turquoisey colour with purple as like a weird backgroundy kind of thing going. I still got yet to put my name on there, but I can just show you where we got to. So yeah, I essentially carried on with what I was doing before with the black, with the white bits, and then I put the black bits over the top. I also added some grey in the ears, and I ended up realising I was missing a tooth at one point, so I added the bottom tooth in there and brought his jaw back in so you could sort of see that mane peeking out from the other side. I used mostly greys on that part, and yeah, and just kept flicking the fur, trying to make some sort of weird fur texture of it all, and kept flicking it back in and out with the white and black. And yeah, I think it's coming out absolutely boss. I love it. I will have to cage him off before I leave, just because I don't want him to go. I don't want him to run away, and the weird whooshy things that's coming from behind him. Yeah, I sort of carried that same sort of texture on with the blue and the purple all around the edge in certain places, and up there and around there. And I think, considering I had no idea what I was going to paint when I turned up there yesterday, I think I could pull this out somewhere, because I'm sure I can't say there's other words on there too. So yeah, I pulled it out of somewhere, and woo, look at it, beautiful. Anyway, I'll let you have some footage of a montage of it all coming soon. So yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next one. Be sure to follow and subscribe, because you know how much it helps the channel out, and I'll see you in the next one. Lates.